Kublai pi baro ni pidiang sobhai pi shakatup kubor mentaga janmit shaban pai shaki kubor ki babnya nginya pechwai ki mat bakongsan Yakran Menteri Rangbado kari Narendra Modi bat ki nongyo mentoy naga skim Vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra Anshong perkhat ka sarkar jala ban ai jingseu ya ki breu ki bakit nongpang halor ka jingshakri ka jongki shaki patba jongki nyo pukandai teli kishnong hakapor badan kam kerke Ong Menteri ka sarkar jala uba kermen shela ba ka jingyo jingmenjur na ki patba kalong ka badan kam na ka benta banwanra limtirel hajainte hills Lingba ke telefon penlong jingyakran Presiden ke US Joe Biden bat Menteri Rangbado ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu. Bat seiso ka mau kerwat civil hospital ha ka jingput ya ka jingpang ka bahe ha ka sin ka baningkong. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Rangbado kari Narendra Modi hinne kasni ulaong ba ka jingmi na ka election sya ka yeng dorbar thau an ki jila dangshan ka pen I bakari ka shania ha ka sarkar pedeng bat ya ki skim ki jongka bat lingba ka rai jong ki patba ka pen I ba ki shania halor ka jingpen tikna Modi Haba ai jingkren sya ki bayo jingmentoy na ka Vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra menta kasni lingba ka video conference Modi ulaong ba ka ni ka yatra ka long tang ka jingtre ka berit ka jong u ban pinpoy kubor sya ki nong shong shnong kari haba ban halor ka jingdon kam jong ka Vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra Modi ulaong ba ka ni ka lalong ka benta ka bakongsan ban pinpoy kubor sya ki patba ki bampat yo jingmentoy na kinu ki skim sarkar ulaong ru baladon palat iwei pon arpusan kelur ngut ki padba ki balapoi sya ka Modi ki garanti wali gari ha ka por ba penlong ya ka Vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ka sarkar jela kala kwa ban ithu ya ka jing shakri ya ki kenhun jeng ki breu bakit nongpang ki bala shakri ya ki nong shong shnong ha ki nyo pukandai teli ki shnong ki bamla ban poi kali ha ka por badon kam kirke khamtam ha ka bayade bat ka jing sumar ya ki bapang bashitam kalinti ka bariat bat bachngai bakho ram bat ka barit haringkat ka jingkit ka bakhya ha kamet kadang long ka jingshisha na ka benta ki nong shong shnong ki ba na kini ki nyo pukandai teli ki shnong ki badon ha Meghalaya kiladon katu kat ni teli ki kenhun ki bale kam babha ha ka ba ki kit ya ki nong pang shadu ki jaka ki ba lapoi surok ha ki por badon kam haba ai jingkran halor ka jinglek jingo ka ong ka jong ka badang shen Sya kasnong mau kerwang ka menteri jong ka tenat ka kwat ka kya ka sarkar jela ikong amprin lingdo ilaong ba ka sarkar kadang syong perkhat ban ai bainong yakini ki nong le kambha
ailing and sick individuals or pregnant women to the nearest facilities, we must incentivize and have a systemic introduction of an amount that need to be given, an incentive that needs to be given to these individuals who do so much to save a life. And having experienced it firsthand gives me this opportunity to talk about it and discuss it. So all 79 hard-to-reach villages will not have the same topography or terrain.
Menteri ka sarkar jela uba kermen shela henen kasni ulaong bakarai jong ki patba ka East Giant Hills ka long ka badon kam hashwa ban shim ya ki kendon banwanra lentirel ha East Giant Hills da ka baong ba ambaro ki patba ki persha ya ka jingwanra lentirel badru ambaro ki pedang yaka uni UMLA ka United Democratic Party na Kliriat constituency ulaong bakinong mi kmat jong ka East Giant Hills kin sa penlong ya ka jingyalang ban ya merging mut bat ki patba ka East Giant Hills ban yo jingmenjur ha ka bayade ba ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar banwanra lentirel ha ka district
we support blindly, it might affect later on, then we'll regrets. And if we are against for it, what if it is very good and then we'll regret for it? I don't want my people to take a decision where it will affect them later and then where they will regret later. It has to be a combined a combination of all the stakeholders and then the public should come into one concern and then either go for it or against it. We are the person who can give the information what we have heard from our district, bring it to the notice of the government, and then from the government bring it to the public. So we are like a delivery man in between. So for this is our duty to convince the people and then take the outcome of that meeting and then brought it to the notice of the government. So it has to be the concern of both of us.
Presiden ke Amerika Joe Biden ula penlong ya ke jingyakran bat menteri rang bado ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ling ba ke telefon. Ha kane ke jingyakran Biden ula banjur ya ke jingdon kam ban ai jingya dai ki riu pai ba bat ban penken ria ya ki shajengai naki le no Hamas kam tam sha ki jaka balong shengai. Biden ula pen pauru ya ke jing snokya shapang ke jingsha thombor jong kinong Palestine bat ki jingdon kam ban wanra ya ke shong sok shong san ha ka thain sep ngi ka Palestine. Sisngi hadin ba menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ke sangma ulaya da yala ka jong ka para ka balong ru ka MP jong ka Lok Sabha natura ka agatha sangma henmen jong ki James PK sangma ulaya ro ya ka rukom trekam ka ne ka MP President ka sang BJP jong ka jela Meghalaya recommend moment dangshan ulapan pau ya ka jingbam ihun ka jong halor ka rukom trekam ka ne ka MP baminta ka ba na ka sang NPP natura James ula kentaj ru halor ka jingkam babun na ki project jong ki kampen roy ki let Shagaro Hills da ka baong la sa markat jo ki project jong ki kampen roy habaro ka wei ka jilla.
I don't know which BJP leader said this, but I think unfortunately he's very ill-informed. In terms of the implementation of centrally sponsored schemes, so many are taking place in Garo Hills. So it's very easy to criticize people, but I believe that any such criticism should be based on facts. Unfortunately, he has not done his homework. He's not really done proper research before making these statements, because I believe that there has not been any kind of, stop or slow down in terms of implementation of centrally sponsored schemes. Anything has to be substantiated by facts, and I can tell you, with a lot of confidence that that is not true at all. If we look at the amount of development that has taken place all across the state, I feel that today it is equitable, it is equal, and the pace of development has picked up. There is no doubt about that.
Kibriyo na kirukom baper ki angnod banyo jingtep shapang ki scheme baper bala penmi da ka sarkar India ha ka ba ki babun kibriyo ki la lektor shakane ka jingalang halor ka vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ha ka jaka sangye kali jong ka municipal ha yo maulong mentakasngi. Layo iru ba kibriyo ki la kili jingtep shapang ka jingpenrung kerteng hapo ka Aadhaar ka Ayushman Bharat scheme ka Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana bat kiwe ki scheme. La penlong ru ya ka jing ai jing sumar ha ka ne ka sngi ikong sita lin lingkhot ibala yo pdiang ya ka shithi yo scheme ha ka ne ka program ling ba ka scheme PM Svanidhi ila ong ba ila snokmen ban don benta bat ka ne ka program da ka ba ong ba ka ne ka pisa ka ne rap ya i ban siu ya ka bicycle jong ki khun sa iwe pat inong yo benta ikong ai hun lingkhot iba yo pdiang ya ka ne ka shithi ila ong ba ka ne ka pisa kan long ka jingarap ka ba kraw ya i
Don kam ai bicycle ai
Kamau Kurwat Civil Hospital hinin kasngi kala seiso ha ka jingpenlong ya ka jingput ka bakham he ha ka sin ka baningkong ya uwei ubre ubala don nyo po arts nem karata bat uba la im ringkat ka jingpang la palat san post nem uba jrim shon shong thear na kasnong manat ka ba Jengai kumba 8% kilometer na mau kerwan udai unang pang baningkong ubala sya sumar ringkat ka jingput ka bakham he da ka kenhun jong ki doktor kane ka hospital hapo ka jingalam jong medical superintendent u Dr. W Sutenga uba sangdhar ulapan pau syakilat pathai kubor ba ulamat jing na ka jingkenjut jong ka jingmong ka bala ulamen saw kat ba udang ya lek kai ya ka ding ha kapor ba udang kena haba ai jingkran halor kani ka jingput u Dr. Sutanga ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen
Kanan kita lah doktor paput nak kadet ni utbara. Tiga semua pinong. Ti lagi dah cutting besian monrik ni Malaysia ni kerja kedang laraban jaban tidak kerja rim.
Nak kerja.
Chania bukan orang paput kerja dengan chania piang.
Lower leg. Di mentah yung new patient nadu mencuang akan mahu lah jumlah isi civil hospital tinggi lah pani ban poin aslam nadu bagaimana dan mengapa civil hospital tambah dan bahaya bahasa yang lang ban ayah karai di mentah usuan le dressing macam ni lah perlu tak kaput ibu lah pandala dia ibu kuat mah ibu ngin belen lah mengilah batai ibu lihat si kapoi siapa tahu put kalangan sini ka jingim jumlah lah menyo kita ka septisimia.
Ka state BJP unit mentakas ni kala penlong ya ke jingyaki da ka basyong kalai mongor ha khamat ka headquarter jongka Shillong ban persya ya ki kam bamsap ka bayadei bat ke jingyo kurap pisa ka balai spa kalor tingka na ka yengsa jong MP ka Rajya Sabha Udhiraj Sahu Haranchi ya ka jingyaki ha Shillong la lam khamat da state BJP president u recommend moment bat ki wei ki kle nong penyat jong ka seng unang ai ktin kasang BJP ha ka jilla uba M Kharkrang ula ong baka pisa kabayo kurup na ka yengsa jong usahu ka de ka jing penshisha ya ki kam bamsap jong ka Congress bat kasang
in Jharkhand where the residential premises and also the offices of an MP from Jharkhand who belongs to the Congress party where stash and hundreds of crores were recovered which were all unaccounted. This itself, the party has time and again been talking about the corruption which has been carried out by the various parties, especially the Congress party in the Congress ruled states. And this is the evidence in front of the people of India. So we have come here to condemn these kind of acts and because whatever money that has been seized, these hundreds of crores, these belongs to the people of the state of Jharkhand and also the
halor ka jing yakendu jing e na ka daw ka jing bam don doctor na ki PHC but CHC ha ki than West Giant Hills ka sang HANM hinin ka sngi kala yakendu ya ka menteri bakmi ya ka tanat ka kwat ka kya ikong amprin lingdo but kerpat ban tuklar halor ka ni ka benta habayakren bat kinong thok khubor u chairman ka HANM employment cell uba W Sotin ulaong ba ka than West Giant Hills ka jiya kendo jing e na ka jing bam don jongki doctor bat la ban ya kendo tang sisin la ni alsin ha ka shitayo ulaong ba kani kala bu jing e hadu kata kata ya ki brio ha ka ni ka than bat habayakren halor ka jiya kendo jong u bat ka menteri ka kwat ka kya ulaong ba kila batha ba dei ban pha no kham klo ya ki doctor shakishnong jongki khnang ba kila banyak kendo ha kanu kanu kapor bagi don kam
of doctors is it's very less. Suppose in a week if you go doctor sometimes you come in 2-3 days in a week. So it hampers the health and the health and the problems of all the patients because without doctors who will prescribe the medicines, who will do the needful for all the minor injuries and everything, who will take all those minor operations. So if they have a local doctor from nearby PHC or CHCs, he'll be available there. If not 24 hours, at least 12 hours a day he'll be available.
so you also
hakaway na ka jing angnot ban kintewi kishnong ki badon hakathan khaput bat ban pen klan ya ka jing ya dei hapedang ki Sipai Border Security Force bat kinong shong shnong ka 50th Battalion BSF kala penlong ya ka Civic Action Program ha BOP Bahadur hinin kasngi ha kani ka Civic Action Program la sami kitiar badon kam bakentup ya kitiar ya lek kai kitop kitiar bapendon kam ha ka basum bat kiwe shakilai pokandai teli ki kenhun bakentup nado ki skul ki panchayat ki shnong ki thau bat ki club ki badon ha ki than khaput minta ngin ya pe ya ka jinglong jingmang ka sun benang hasilong ka jing shet ka long khat nyo 0.9 degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat ka long khandai 0.pra degree Celsius ka jing snyam ka hau ka long prapau na ka shispa men step bat pra na ka shispa janmin kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamlu mala hakikat tu kan ni ki jaka Syaban poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor ngin ya pet biang sa hisin ya kimat bakongsan. Yakren Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi berkinong yo mentoy na kaskim Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Ansyong perkat ke sarkar jela ban ai jing siu ya kibrio ki bakit nong pang halor ka jing syakri ka jongki syaki padba jongki hnyo pekendai teli kisnong hakapor bedon kam kirke. Ong Menteri ke sarkar jela ubak kermen chilla ba ka jingyo jing menjur na ki padba kalong ka bedon kam na ka benta banwanra lentirel hajain te hills. Lingba ke telefon penlong jing kren Presiden ke US Joe Biden bat Menteri Rang Badu ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu. Bat seiso kamau kerwat civil hospital ha ke jingput ya ke jingpang ke ba he ha ke sen ke beningkong. Ti parlok da kitu ki khobor ngi la poisha ka bakut jong ka thuk khobor jingi mita ka janmit hadu bangin de syam biang bat phi la shai kasni khuble pi baro.